Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Uh, now I have a brand new 7-year-old. Basically, I have a new playlist for DIYs for 7-year-old now because my elder one has turned 7-year-old. So this is a busy book for my newly turned 7-year-old. We are doing mathematics, we are doing money, we are doing addition subtraction, but with some puzzling kind of thing, and some making shapes. A new thing which based on a book called Circumference. For that book, I got the idea, and I'll show you what it is. So first one is we are doing money things. You make 70 cents. My girls love playing with money or dealing actual money in the market. So I figured out that I can do addition subtraction with money very easily, and it's practical, and they think that they're learning, something very nice and adult thing. So that's what I do that. So here you have to make 70 cents. We have 50-cent coins, 20-cent coins, and 10-cent coins, and we can have as many number of coins we want, but these are the three denominations I have. Now I have to make 70 cents, but I can use only two coins, so she has to use 50 and 20. If I have to use 5 coins, and I have to use 5 coins, I cannot reduce in that. What should I use? 120, 30, 40, 50, 60? No, I cannot make 70. Then 20, 40, 50, 60, 70? Yes. So if I use two 20-cent coins and three 10-cent coins, I make 70. And again, next one is if you have to use 3 coins, then I have to use 20 or 50, 20, and 10. Then I will make 70 cents. So that's what I want her to figure it out. Again, these busy books she doesn't do independently. It's not judging her, but it's like, making things little complicated rather than doing the workbooks. So, and then learning on the way. That is what it's like, being games with them. That's how we do it. Now, because it was a little complicated, I'm going to an easier one. Like find the greatest number. Basic addition subtraction ones. 8 tens is 80. 81 ones is 81 number. 92 minus 29 will do some subtraction and see can she figure out. And so that's why this whole page is one question, but it has basically 4 simple problems. So that's why it looks simpler, but yeah, she has to use her mind to do it. Again, doing the subtraction and addition, but little complicated way. Like we have to find the missing number, so whatever boxes I have, they have to be filled. So it's basically simple subtraction. Here is simple addition. So 48, it's already 50, so it will be what has to be here to make 100. And basics addition subtraction we are doing. Now again, it's addition, but you have to make number 83 using two numbers. This is complicated because she's not so thorough with numbers. That's why uh, doing some challenging questions help me to think with her and work together to make new strategies. Maybe let's make this 50 and see how much more do we need. Then can we figure it out, or can we start adding the ones basically to figure out how can we get 3. So it just gives me a platform to talk about different strategies. Even I don't know the answers, short trick to these answers, but just no, not doing simple addition, we have done that, making it a little complicated. And if it doesn't do it, that's also is fine, because it's just this my way of learning. Then let's do some puzzles kind of stuff. Not doing it's okay, we'll do together. So if people say that 7-year-old should not be able to do it, so it's okay. I mean, it's fine. It's not a test. She's not failing anything. Okay, this one is inspired from the book Circumference, where there is one shape, one shape, and they make different shapes of it. They make a square, from there they make parallelogram, they make rectangles, they make all octagons and all. So I was just thinking on that form, that if I give a parallelogram, can she make 2 parallelograms? So basically she has to draw a line in half. Can she make 4 triangles? So that has to like diagonals. And can she make 2 triangles? So one diagonal. So we have never done this kind of questions, but that book made me think that let's derive shapes from other shapes. So that is what is a busy book for my newly turned 7-year-old. And not necessarily she can do it, but we'll have fun doing it, that's for sure. So hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.